Okay. So, hello everyone. This is Prakash Rawat, an aspiring data scientist at Vijay Robotics. So, in the previous video, we have already discussed about the introduction of Python, and in this video, we will be discussing about the Python variables and data types. So, let's start. See, what are variables in Python? See, variables, as the name itself implies, that something which varies, जो बदलते रहती है. So in Python, variables are something that stores a particular kind of values in it. Like if I say name is equals to Prakash. So here name is a variable, and the value which it is storing is Prakash. I hope it is clear. So in Python, you just can't randomly name any variable. There are certain rules which you have to follow to name any variable. So let us understand those rules one by one. Okay. Like in Python, your variable name should start with a letter or an underscore. Letter can be anything from A to Z, and an underscore sign is this. This is the first rule to name any variable. The second rule is it should not start with a number. That is, name is equals to Prakash. It is allowed in Python, but one name is equals to Prakash. It is not accepted in Python. That is the second rule to name any variable. The third one is Python is a case sensitive language. So if you define a name is equals to, let's say Sakshi, then if you call that name, you should use a capital N while calling that name, because in the first line you have used the capital N, but when you call it, you have to also use the capital N here. If you use the small n, let's say name with small n, it would throw an error. I hope this is clear. And the last one is, see, in Python there are many keywords which are reserved in Python, like if else, and class, and many more. So Python does not allow you to name any variable after them. So those are the restrictions in Python. So you have to keep them in mind while naming any variable. Okay. So now let's come to the next point. That is Python data types. So in this video, we will be discussing about the data types. I will be only giving you the overview of data types. What are mutable and what are immutable data types. Okay. So see, mutable data types are those data types in which you can add, update, or remove any objects. And immutable are those in which you can't do this thing. Like you cannot add or remove or update items in immutable data types. And in this video, I'll be only naming you the mutable and immutable data types. See what kind of data types comes under mutable and what types of data types comes under the immutable data types. Like in mutable data types, there are only three, you can say three objects, that is list, set, and dictionary. You can remember it from LSD, list, set, and dictionary. Whereas in immutable data types, we have integer, float, string, and tuple. I hope this is clear. So the next one is checking the data types. How we can check data types in Python. So there is a type function in Python through which you can check the data types of any list or any other data types. Like let's take an example. If I write name is equals to Prakash, so if I want to check the data type of name, see name here is a variable and Prakash is a value which is stored in the name. So if I want to check the data type of name variable, I have to write the type function, type, and I have to define the variable name, that is name. So it is throwing string. That means the data type of name here is string. I hope that is ultra clear. So the next one is multiple assignments. C. So the Python allows you to assign multiple values to multiple variable in a single line. That is like here x comma y comma z is equals to 10 comma 20 comma 30. So it means that the value of x is 10, the value of y is 20, and respectively the value of z is 30. And the second point is Python also allows you to name any variable to give the same values to many variables. Like here a is equals to b is equals to c is equals to c is equals to 5. That means here the value of a, b and c is 5. I hope this is clear. Okay, so that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.